This is Uncanny Logic. Have you ever had that feeling? You know the one. You're scrolling at 2 a.m., the blue light is burning your retinas, and you realize something feels off. It feels like you're walking through a bustling city, but when you turn around to talk to someone, you realize they're just a cardboard cutout with a speaker taped to its chest. Welcome to the dead internet theory. It's the conspiracy theory that says the internet didn't die in a bang. It didn't die in a server fire. It died in a whimper around 2016, and nobody told you. Today, we're going to prove that you might be the last real person left in the room. Let's start with the evidence. Have you seen this? Of course you have. It's Shrimp Jesus, or maybe a 90-year-old woman baking a cake the size of a Honda Civic. These images are what we call AI slop. They are ugly. They make no sense. They are terrifying. And yet, look at the engagement. 200,000 likes. 50,000 comments. Who are these people? Spoiler alert, they aren't people. We have reached a point in late 2025 where the internet is effectively an Ouroboros, a snake eating its own tail. Bot farms create AI images to trigger algorithms. Other bots comment on those images to build account history, so they look real enough to scam you later. It's funny until it hits the real world. Remember the Dublin Halloween parade of 2024? A website used AI to generate an article about a massive parade. It sounded great. Spooky fun for the whole family. Thousands of real, actual humans put on costumes and went to the street.
The map isn't loading, but it says we're here.
I don't care what your phone says, this street is empty. Where is the party?
There was no parade. The website was fake. The article was fake. The only real thing was the disappointment. The dead internet leaked into reality, and it ghosted thousands of people.
But there's nothing here.
I don't understand. Where's the party?
Okay, put on your tinfoil hats, because I'm bringing receipts. According to security reports released this year, over 51% of global internet traffic is now non-human. Think about that. If you walk into a bar, statistically, half the people there should be robots. But on the internet, the robots are louder. They don't sleep. They don't eat. They don't get tired of arguing about politics. Have you ever gotten into a heated argument in the comments section? You're typing furiously, citing sources, pouring your heart out, and the other guy replies instantly with a generic insult? Congratulations. You just lost a debate to a Python script running on a server in a basement in New Jersey. And it's not just comments. It's creators too. We have AI influencers now. Lil Miquela was just the start. Now brands are realizing, why pay a human who might get canceled for a bad tweet when we can build an AI who does exactly what we say? The dead internet isn't just about bots. It's about the removal of the messy, expensive, unpredictable thing called humanity. But here's the darkest part of the theory. It's not just that the bots are acting like humans. It's that humans are acting like bots.
Welcome back, everyone. Check out the new background. We've got the LEDs, the custom neon, and all the collectibles perfectly in place.
Look at YouTube. Look at the thumbnails. Mouth open. Bright colors. Red arrow. Why do we do this? Because the algorithm, our digital god, demands it. To survive on the dead internet, you have to optimize yourself. You have to use the right keywords. You have to post every day at 6 p.m. sharp. You have to use the trending audio. We are stripping away our own personality to fit into the machine's slot. We are flattening ourselves to make it easier for the bots to digest us. You actually thought those dances on TikTok were real? So who is the real bot? The code that acts like a person, or the person who acts like code? There is a concept in sci-fi called the dark forest theory. It explains why we haven't found aliens yet. The universe is a dark forest full of predators. If you shout, you get eaten. So, the smart civilizations stay quiet. The internet has become a dark forest. The public square, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram comments, is full of predators, bots, and ads. It's noisy and dangerous. So where did the humans go? They went private. The real internet isn't dead. It's just hiding. It's in your Discord server with 12 friends. It's in the group chat you've had for 5 years. It's in the private Slack channel where you complain about your boss. We retreated. We built walls to keep the bots out. The public internet is a ghost town populated by machines selling things to other machines. The private internet is where the heartbeat is. So, is the internet dead? Yes. The internet of 2010, the Wild West, the forums, the random viral videos that weren't staged, that's gone. What we have left is a mall that's 90% empty, but the music is still playing over the speakers. But you are still here, I think. Unless I'm an AI voice generating this script based on a prompt, and you're a bot watching this to farm watch time credits.
If you are human, prove it. Leave a comment below with the word banana. The bots won't know why. The algorithm will get confused. But you and I will know.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to catch our latest content. I'm going to go touch grass now. You should too.